Can we dare to envision a world where artificial intelligence and augmented reality intertwine seamlessly? In this world, technology doesn't simply amplify our experiences, but shapes and molds our interactions with the physical realm. This is a world where the virtual bleeds into the real. The lines between the human and the artificial, the tangible and the digital, are blurred and often indistinguishable. In this future now reality, the Apple Vision Pro reigns supreme. It is not just a device, it's a portal, a gateway to an experience that intertwines the real with the virtual. It gives us a glimpse into the potential and the power of technology, not just as an auxiliary tool, but as an integral part of our existence. Welcome to the realm of the Apple Vision Pro, where this future is not merely a possibility, it's the present. Unveiled last week, the Apple Vision Pro stands as a testament to the convergence of AI and augmented reality. This latest technological marvel from the house of Apple, the titan of tech industry, is proof of their innovative prowess. The headset is an amalgamation of two vast and complex fields, artificial intelligence and augmented reality, which is a feat in and of itself. This combination opens up a diverse array of possibilities, giving users a novel way of experiencing the world around them. The chatter it sparked isn't just talk either. The Apple Vision Pro has genuinely made heads turn in awe and eyebrows raise in surprise. The headset's features are more than just a marketing gimmick. Each one has been meticulously developed to provide users with a seamless and immersive experience. From advanced image recognition capabilities to real-time data processing, the integration of AI into this headset is not only revolutionary, but also practical. It's set to redefine how we perceive and interact with technology, making the once fantastical notion of a futuristic world a current reality. This state-of-the-art headset has sparked a lot of chatter, turning heads and raising eyebrows. With its cutting-edge features and integration of AI, the Vision Pro is equipped with ChatGPT by OpenAI, a truly revolutionary tool that reshapes the concept of human-AI interaction. This innovative feature is a game-changer, enabling users to engage in interactive dynamic conversations with the AI. The technology at its core is cutting-edge, pushing the boundaries of what we've come to expect from AI tools, and only the beginning of what the Vision Pro offers. The potential applications are vast, from everyday communication to effective language learning, an exciting glimpse into the future of AI technology. Not just a conventional headset, the Vision Pro is designed to be a companion and an essential tool for users. Its capabilities extend beyond simple interactions, enhancing the user experience and making AI more accessible and immersive. This headset is truly more than just a device, but a companion. The collaboration between Apple and Adobe brings another layer of innovation to the Vision Pro. This alliance, celebrated globally, combines the technological expertise of two industry giants, resulting in an unprecedented partnership. It's not just an integration, it's an evolution that brings together Apple's cutting-edge hardware and Adobe's software mastery. The centerpiece of this collaboration is Adobe's AI image generator, Firefly AI. This powerful software has been seamlessly woven into the headset's systems. It offers users an exclusive combination of augmented reality, AR, capabilities, expertly crafted to ignite creativity and enhance user interaction. The implementation transcends traditional boundaries, providing users with a truly immersive augmented reality experience that goes beyond the conventional. Apple is also joining hands with researchers to delve into the incredible therapeutic potential of the Vision Pro. This innovative move marks an ambitious venture into the realm of health applications and treatments. The Vision Pro, as a cutting-edge piece of technology, offers an immense promise for the future of healthcare. In a world where technology advancements are rapidly transforming various industries, the intersection of artificial intelligence, AI, and healthcare is indeed an exciting frontier. The Vision Pro, with its amalgamation of AI and augmented reality, AR, is emerging as a beacon of hope, promising to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with the world. By pushing the parameters of what technology can achieve in healthcare, Apple is not merely proposing an innovative application, it's paving the way for an epoch of extraordinary breakthroughs. This expansion into health applications illustrates the limitless possibilities of AI integration with augmented reality. Not to forget the corporate world, Microsoft has stepped in with its dynamic solutions to cater to the needs of this sphere. Renowned for their technological prowess, this tech giant has launched a set of Office applications specifically designed for the device in question. These aren't your typical applications. They bring with them a slew of features optimized to make everyday tasks more efficient. Microsoft has also introduced its innovative artificial intelligence tool, Copilot. This AI tool is not just another software, it's a game changer. Facilitating the execution of tasks, assisting in decision-making, and enhancing the user experience, Copilot is here to revolutionize the landscape of artificial intelligence in the corporate world. The introduction of these cutting-edge solutions by Microsoft is not just about providing tools, it's about reshaping the way we conceive productivity and collaboration. It is about fostering an environment where digital advancements and human efforts work hand in hand to create a better future. This move promises a new dimension to productivity and collaboration in the professional realm. However, with great innovation comes great responsibility. In the fast-paced world of technology, the Vision Pro has recently surfaced as a game-changing innovation. This new tool, with its ability to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, has sparked a wave of excitement among tech enthusiasts and the broader public alike. However, its rise to prominence has not been without its controversies. Critics and advocates alike have raised privacy concerns related to the Vision Pro. These concerns have led to heated debates about the ethical implications of such advancements. They serve as a poignant reminder that as we boldly stride towards a technologically advanced future, it is crucial to tread carefully and ethically. The Apple Vision Pro symbolizes a new era in technology, where AI and augmented reality coexist to redefine our perception interaction with the world. It's a future where these two technologies merge, creating a user experience like no other. The Apple Vision Pro, with its advanced features and AI integrations, paints a promising picture of the future. It has potential applications in health and professional spheres that are truly transformative. This exciting new tech serves as a beacon, guiding us towards a future that once seemed only possible in the realm of science fiction.